Craftsie, are you okay? Let's sit down. Let's chat about it. So, maybe your favorite YouTuber just quit YouTube. Or they put out this long video that made you so sad and they just said that they're gonna cut back. It's their dream job. Something happened. It's okay. And it's okay to feel sad. It's okay to miss these people. But also, we are all human. And being a content creator, I think, is one of the most stressful jobs that you can find out there. But it's so fun and so rewarding at the same time. So all of the creators that put out these videos that they're quitting or they're saying goodbye or something has happened or they're gonna cut down on videos, thank you for your content. We appreciate you still. So as a small content creator, I am just so excited for this year. I can't tell you how fired up I am to create videos for you guys. I'm just so excited, I can't contain myself. So you can see my vision board behind me. My goal this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Now, what can you expect from Lolly Crafts this year? You can expect 2 videos a month, long form, and maybe a few shorts here and there. I'm really going to look at upping my content, my editing of my content to make it interesting. So while there's a lot of uncertainty about creators and things like that, I'm not quitting YouTube. So Craftsie, I'll see you in the next video.